This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up any unsaved, critical files to an external drive or cloud now. Once done, reboot into advanced options using Shift plus Restart or F8, then choose Troubleshoot right arrow Advanced Options. You should note recent installs or Windows updates. Those are often culprits, so keep your admin password handy. This gets you to a safe environment where changes won't trigger immediate restarts and lets you run targeted repair tools without risking data loss. Once in Advanced Options, run Startup Repair first. It fixes common boot issues automatically. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption. Then reboot into safe mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates that caused instability. If those steps don't help, use System Restore to roll back to a restore point from before the restarts. You finish by updating drivers and Windows when the system runs stably. Prioritize motherboard chipset and GPU drivers from the manufacturer site. Make sure to check Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor for error codes that explain why restarts happened. Those codes point to the root cause. If instability remains, perform a repair install keeping files or a clean install as last resort. Save product keys and drivers first. Troubleshooting tip: if the machine still restarts, test RAM and PSU. Hardware faults often mimic software crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.